just a little bit of gum chewing for those of you who like that kind of thing. I hope that it gives you lots of tingles. The gum that I'm chewing is a mint flavored gum. I hate the way that toothpaste tastes, but I really enjoy minty flavored things. And this is the first time that I've actually chewed gum in a really long time. And yes, I am exaggerating the sound a little bit for the viewer's enjoyment who likes this sort of sound.